the seats are pretty bad on the Mustang. I'd like to get some Mustang seats, like off CJ Pony or National Parts Depot. Man, they're so expensive. I'm going to try using these seats because they're available to me. And just like modified Mustang, they need to be modified, so they should fit right in with the build. Of course, here's the bottoms. And we're going to test fit them. Hey, seats are already kind of cruddy in the car. That needs new upholstery. Why not use them, right? I got them. So, let's start taking the interior out. I think we need to make some room though. It's crowded in the man cave. There's too much stuff. Up and pull out. Seats out, and you're left with a mess to clean up. Grab the shop vac, get that cleaned up a little bit. Get on the other side. Alright, well, here's the progress so far. Just last night, kind of got things cut, sort of mocked in. I'm liking the look of those headrests back there. Don't you? Some people may not like that, but I think it's turning out pretty good. And today, I'm going to go ahead and take out these front seats. Well, there's kind of the mock setup on it, y'all. Got the front seat sitting in there. Haven't done anything, modified them or bolted them in. They're a little tall in the base, but other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. They need to be cleaned up some, but just a little adjustments here and there. But right now, that ain't too bad. I think it may look kind of cool. The seat saga is finally over. Mustang, modified Mustang, finally has seats. Let's check them out. So with that in mind, I'm gonna end this video on the seats. We'll come back and do carpet install. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode on modified Mustang and the modified seats. Be sure and hit the thumbs up, the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Till the next video, we'll see you guys later. This is what I wanted to build right here. Place to nap.